We previously talked about conditional statements, and now what we're going to talk about is how to negate a conditional statement. So before we can get into that, I want to mention something that we're going to need to use. So note, you can use truth tables to show that the conditional statement, if P then Q, is logically equivalent to not P or Q. So we can now use this fact. This means that the negation of if P then Q is logically equivalent to negating not P or Q. And we can use De Morgan's law. That's the same thing as P and not Q. So if you want, let's sum this up. If you want to negate if P then Q, it would be P and not Q. So let's look at a couple examples where we negate some statements, some conditional statements. So write negations of the following. So the first one, if my car is in the repair shop, then I cannot get to class. So when you're doing this, you're going to identify your P, your hypothesis. So if I look here, my hypothesis is my car is in the repair shop. That's the P. I cannot get to class. That's my Q. And so if I'm trying to write the negation, it's P. My car is in the repair shop. And not Q. I can get to class. So this would be the negation. Let's look at one more of these. So if part B, if Sarah lives in Athens, then she lives in Greece. So what would the negation be here? To negate this, you're going to write down P. So Sarah lives in Athens. And not Q. She does not live in Greece. When you negate a conditional statement, it's no longer a conditional statement. So you don't, in your negations, you won't have if then written down.